Hi, my name is Raz and welcome to iSky Tech channel. Today I'm gonna talk about my first flight with DJI Avata and my first crash in the same day. You must see that. It was so funny. It was really funny. I was trying to fly so low that I crashed in the bush. Actually, it was yesterday. After 2 months, this drone was in the box. I finally decided to fly this drone and to try it. Just to let you know, I had like 7-8 hours in simulator, and how to say, I wasn't really that confident, but I was really excited to try this drone. To be honest, I was so excited to try this drone that I forgot to switch on my mic on my camera, and nothing was recorded apart from image. So when I came home, I was like, where's the sound? It's gone. There's no sound in the video. That's why I'm doing this video right now. How I crashed it? Well, I've tried to fly so low, but I haven't noticed that a bush was, and I literally crashed into the bush. I was so lucky because I didn't do any damage to the drone. But it was a bit pain to find the drone because it's my first time and I didn't know how to find the drone. I had to look on the Google to find the beeping features, and it was amazing. I could find the drone finally. My wife, once she saw I crashed the drone, she said, just send other drones to look for the drone for DJI Avata. I said, no, I'll go to look for it. It was like 50 meters away from me, so it wasn't that far. It just was a lot of bushes and water everywhere, so I've decided not to send a drone for it. But it was really fun to fly the drone. Really happy with it. I had the manual controller and motion controller. I didn't want to fly using the motion controller, so I've decided to fly using manual controller. And to be honest, the experience is unbelievable. If you got DJI Avata, you should try to focus learning manual controller, how to fly in a manual controller. I think that what I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna focus more on learning how to fly in manual mode using manual controller. I was thinking to sell this, but it's because I can connect DJI Mini 3 Pro. I'll still keep it for now. But that was my first crash and first flight using DJI Avata. I'm still looking forward to fly more, but I need to get more batteries because yesterday I had only one battery, which gave me around 12 minutes flight time, and I would say you need more batteries for that, definitely, which I'll have to get them. They're quite expensive. But yes guys, I will try to share more videos, me flying drones, tech reviews, and well, I got a lot of equipment home. To be honest, I got too much and I'm thinking to buy more stuff, but well, I got to spread and think what's a priority as well. And yes guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you like my videos and you want to support me, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to ask anything, just ask them below and I'll try to reply back as soon as possible. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next video.